In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG from Figma Design. SVG files are scalable vector graphics, perfect for sharp icons and logos at any size, and they're ideal for the web and many development workflows. We'll keep this quick and clear. Start by selecting the exact frame you want to export in your Figma file. Click directly on the frame on the canvas, or, if it's easier, select it from the Layers panel. You should see the frame's bounding box and its name highlighted, which confirms you're working with the right element. If you accidentally select a group or a single shape, your export won't include the full layout, so make sure it says Frame or Component in the right panel. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Export section near the bottom. Click Export to open the export options for this selection. This area tells Figma what format to use and at what scale. Because we're exporting a vector, we don't need multiple sizes like 2x or 3x unless a specific workflow requires them. Now set the format to SVG. Use the Format dropdown and choose SVG so Figma outputs a clean vector file. SVG keeps paths and shapes editable, which is perfect if a developer needs to tweak colors or if you plan to animate later. Keep in mind that certain effects like complex blurs or very heavy shadows may rasterize when exported. If crisp vectors are essential, simplify those layers before you export. You can also review optional SVG settings in this panel, things like outlining text or including IDs. Use them only if your team or toolchain expects them. When everything looks good, click Export Frame. Your system will prompt you to choose a save location and file name. Pick a clear versioned name and save it where your project lives. Figma will generate the SVG immediately. That's it. You've exported your design as an SVG straight from the selected frame. As a quick best practice, keep your artwork vector-based, avoid unnecessary masks, and name layers clearly so the SVG remains tidy and easy to hand off. If a browser preview looks off, revisit the original frame to simplify effects or check the export settings. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.